Hey everybody, what's up? It's Coach Jared Snyder, and today I'm going to show you Sunday's workout. It was crazy cardio, insanity max 30, sweat intervals. I pushed myself to the limits, but anyways, want to document that I got this workout in on Sunday, and also want to say if you guys need any help and want to be pushed and want some good, awesome workouts, I would love to give you information on them. Please comment below. I'm a dad of 40 years old, and I have 4 kids, ranging from the age of 13, 10, 8, and 7, 2 boys, 2 girls, and I just want to show parents out there that, man, you can still take time out for yourself and get workouts in. But anyways, I'm gonna enjoy the rest of the day with my family. If you ever wondering what I'm doing, if you just follow me on YouTube, I have a Facebook account and Instagram account. I'll leave the links below, but I'm always posting pictures and stuff that's going on in our lives through those 2 platforms also. So, but anyways, if you have not yet, please subscribe to my channel. And yeah, this one was a crazy cardio one. Stay tuned for the video of how crazy it got. And I am a sweaty mess, so I need to go hit the showers. Take care. God bless. Love you guys.